All right, geometry, let's check out this review. So first is all of these concepts, and I want you to go back through your notes and review the idea of inductive reasoning. And this is where we talked about the book parts. And in parts, we talked about the conjecture the little boy made, the counterexample, and then the truth value to whether or not each of these different kinds of statements. So when we talk about conditional statements, we have if-then statements, and I want you to think about your if P, then Q conversation and how the implication, inverse, converse, contrapositive, and biconditional statements are all expressed. Our single and compound statements are joined with a conjunction or a disjunction. Then we hit the law of the deductive reasoning and the different laws of logic that are associated with that. Some of these definitions are from Unit 1, but we want to make sure that we have all of these at the front of our brain for the proofs that we need to do. Our properties of real numbers are going to help us when it comes time for simplifying a lot of our expressions and, of course, combining like terms. Our properties of equality from algebra are going to help us understand how we solve equations. And then, of course, here we have to remember, think about numbers versus things. Am I dealing with equality or am I dealing with congruence? Our postulates, we have our line and plane postulates from Unit 1. And on top of that, we have our ruler, protractor, segment, and angle addition postulate and our linear pair postulate. We have our theorems, where we talked about congruent supplements, congruent complements, our right angle theorems, our vertical angle theorem. Don't forget your formulas with midpoint and distance and slope. So go back through your notes and make sure that you find each of these on the slideshow. Maybe create that notebook. It's time. All right, so we're going to scoot through this quickly. Pause the video, you do the work, come back, check your answer.